Hey guys, today the House Democrats introduced legislation that says if you've been in the United States for 7 years, at least 7 years, you will be eligible to apply for a green card. It's that simple under this new bill. I'm going to talk about what this is, why did they even introduce this, and whether this is something that we should hang any hope on. Okay, because this is about the registry. The registry is back, guys, for our discussion. I'm going to take you into the issues with respect to this bill. For those of you who are new to me, welcome to my channel. I'm LaToya McBean Pompey, an immigration lawyer in New York, working with clients all over the world through McBean Law. Reach out to us and see whether yours is a case that we can assist you with. Contact us at McBeanLaw.com or at 516-866-3900 to request an appointment with one of our attorneys. Guys, also don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave today. Hit the notification bell and be sure to share this video with others in your feed. Guys, this is a very interesting bill, right? Led by Representative Lofgren out of California. And this bill will tweak the registry, which is that old law that said if you had entered the United States by a certain cutoff date, you would be eligible to apply for a green card. We've talked about the registry before last year when we were going through the debacle, right, with immigration reform, budget reconciliation, the Senate parliamentarian. Remember those good old days, right? It was really a very emotional roller coaster last year. And the registry was one of the plans that the Senate parliamentarian rejected. Now it's back for our discussion. And it's back because Representative Lofgren says in this new bill that, well, instead of creating a cutoff date for people to meet, why don't we say something like, well, if you've been here for at least 7 years, you're eligible for a green card, and we'll make this available on a rolling basis so that we wouldn't have to constantly go back and tweak the registry, so that people in the future who meet the requirements, they will be eligible to apply for the green card as well. And this sounds so great in theory, and God knows that millions of people are waiting for amnesty. And guys, you know that I also support amnesty, okay? You know, it's great if this could work, but we have a Congress that doesn't really function the way that we would like it to function. And so now the issue is, well, after Congress, well, will Congress take this up? Will they consider it? Well, it's possible that this could move forward on the House side and may even pass the House. But then when it goes over onto the Senate side, that's where we really have to think about whether it's going to go anywhere, because on the Senate side, there is no reconciliation that they're dealing with that's connected to this piece of legislation, right? It's not something that the Senate parliamentarian will need to decide on. It's going to need 60 votes on the Republicans on the Senate side in order to pass, and that requires some Republican support. It has to get that 60 votes because to get through the filibuster challenge, okay, 60 votes will be needed. And so if on the Senate, my thinking is this, on the Senate side, you have the DREAM Act, legislation that has been sitting there for a very long time that would provide a lawful status for those who have DACA and other individuals, farm workers, and essential workers, and some others. You know, the legislation has been pending on the Senate side around some groups of individuals that many people can agree on that need some sort of relief or amnesty or lawful status, permanent lawful status. But those legislation haven't really moved on the Senate side. So why would they then do something around a very big amnesty program, such as the one that is being proposed here? It just, Why would they introduce this? Why? My thinking is this: the Democrats are under a lot of pressure to do something, to show their constituents that they are still fighting, they are still pushing for immigration reform, they're still trying to get something done, yet they know that their colleagues aren't going to support it. But they're putting these things out, and they're holding these little press conferences in front of the Capitol building, these little rallies, getting people stirred up and excited again. And they know the political game. And it's to me, it's kind of shameful for them to put out proposals that they know will fail. They need to try to work on a bipartisan level. Anyway, so that's what this is. It is not law. It is not something that can help anyone right away. It has a ways to go, a long ways to go, and it must get 60 votes on the Senate side and then signed into law by President Biden. So if this moves, or anything that is very promising moves on Capitol Hill, guys, you know that I will report out to you. I hope you've enjoyed this little chat. Share it with other people. And before you go, I forgot to mention earlier, subscribe to our free firm newsletter at McBeanLaw.com. Each week we send out terrific newsletters of answering your questions, telling immigration news, immigration good news stories, and also immigration news summaries. So subscribe at McBeanLaw.com to our free newsletter. And guys, thanks so much for being with me in this one, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.